Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time here. It is freezing cold. It feels like it's like -24. Yesterday I think it felt like it was like -30. We got some snow, so it's going to be a white Christmas here in the Midwest, and so I was like, why not put on a bright pink fuchsia lip and let's do like a bright colorful spring summer eye look, because it's too freaking cold right now. So that's what we're gonna do. And I actually bought this palette a while ago. I haven't used it, so I'm excited. And it is the Glamlite, what is this even called? The Ice Cream Dream Palette. Here is the packaging. Can y'all see that? It's really big, so I'm like hoping it fits in frame. But the actual palette is inside and it's quite a bit smaller. Still pretty big. But here is, my sprinkles are frozen, so I don't think you guys can really see those moving around. But here is what the palette looks like. Beautiful, fun, bright colors. So that's what we're going to do today. And if you love affordable makeup, if you love eyeshadow, just please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm trying to decide, like I do have a pink lip, so I'm like, what eye look do I really want to go with? I was I'm just drawn to so many different shades in this palette. Like, I'm looking at the bright pinks, these beautiful like green, blue, periwinkle shades, like they're all gorgeous. So let's just start off with, sorry, I got the hiccups. Let's start out with, dang, what do I want to do? Let's start out with the shade Mint Chocolate, which is the shade right here. And also it's freezing cold, but we have some stuff we have to do. So I am gonna probably just do the same, look on both eyes. Sometimes I do them different, but because we've got a lot of stuff to do, I don't want to take up too much time. Oh, and also, y'all, Happy New Year. I have a feeling it's gonna be the new year by the time this video gets up. So I hope that 2023, just, all your dreams come true, all your hopes. I hope that if there's something you've been wanting to do that you have maybe been putting off, that you get the chance to do it, you find the courage, whatever it is that's been holding you back. I just hope that this new year is just amazing and wonderful for everyone. And I just hope, if you've been in a rough place, that this will allow you to finally turn that corner and just have good things coming your way. That is my hope for this new year for everyone. I, in the past, have always made resolutions and I never keep up with them. So last year, one of the things that I did, which actually it's still 2022 when I am filming this, but just, for when y'all are seeing this, what I did was I decided to, like, instead of being like, I'm going to stop doing this or whatever, I just kind of tried to just be like, you know what, I'm going to do things that scare me. Because one of my biggest things is I let fear hold me back. And I did. And one of the biggest things that I did was I finally got the courage to start a YouTube channel. It's something I wish I would have done years ago, but I just never had the courage to do it. So I think I'm going to stick with that theme because there's a lot of things that I really want to do that I still have not, whether it be, a lot of it is the courage to do or also the time to have to do it. So I'm sticking with the doing things that scare me and make me uncomfortable theme, and we're going to see what happens. That is a really, really pretty fun shade. So now let's go with, let's just go with the shade Raspberry, which is this shade right here. I keep thinking I cleaned off this brush and it still has like a dark purple shade on it, so I don't want to do what I did a couple videos ago and totally end up with the wrong shade on my eye, so hopefully this is good now. And we're just gonna pack this on that outer portion of the eye. So, do you guys make New Year's resolutions, or do you just kind of, I don't know, just try and set some intentions or things that you want? Like, what do you guys do with the new year? Because I know everybody's like, it sucks to, you know, start over, or wait to the new year to start over, which I get, but also, like, I know for some of us, that's really the only time that we get, like, a couple extra days off work to kind of set things in motion. I'm just curious what everyone does. All right. These colors together are kind of giving me like Sully from Monsters Inc. vibes. Okay, now I want to go in with, oh man, let's do this brush. It's just rolling all over the place. Let's go in with the shade Strawberry right here. Just needed to turn my mirror a little bit. It got turned to a weird angle and I was not able to really see what I was doing. Oh, and also I just noticed my furnace has been running. Hopefully it's not too bad, but you guys, it's freezing cold and I'm not going to turn the furnace off. One, my husband would kill me, and two, it's just so cold. I feel like even with it being turned off for a little bit, that could burst some pipes because it is really, really, it's dangerously cold here. So hopefully that wasn't too bad. And like the wind, I don't know if you guys can hear, but it has been so loud. You can hear the birds outside. Okay, this is just a really, really fun, really pretty bright look, and I love it. I do want to go back with a little bit more of a detailed brush. Let's use this brush right here and just kind of going with that blue shade a little bit more. Or actually it's like it's mint chocolate, so it's like a tealish blue-green. So I just want to kind of build that up a little bit more. So pretty. I'm just hearing weird sounds. Like, it sounds like there's like something like rolling around outside. But I don't know what in the world it would be. But it's also really windy, so who knows. Okay, for my lower lash line, I'm just trying to find that brush that I use for that. Because I have not a clue. Here it is. Alright. So I want to go in with, what shade do I want to do? We've got sparkles, we've got blue kind of mixed in, we've got a bit of a purple shade. We've got pink. Let's go with the shade Black Cherry, which is this shade right here. Okay. Now, for that little lower inner corner highlight, let's go in with the shade Cotton Candy, which is that blue shade right there. You guys, it is so windy. I mean, it is crazy outside. Kind of not looking forward to being out in it, but we have stuff we have to do, so the show must go on. Like, wind, snow, sleet, whatever. Some days you gotta be like the post office, and no matter what happens, you gotta get out. Which is funny because I'm pretty sure earlier there was something from the post office saying there were gonna be no mail deliveries today, but they were gonna be delivering like special packages, I think. So yeah, it's still pretty brutal outside. Alright, I gotta go do my mascara, clean up some fallout, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back, and this is the final look. And again, I used the Glamlite Ice Cream Dream Palette. Here is a look at this beautiful palette. And here's the inside. And this is just a really fun, beautiful palette. Yes, it's winter, but I just need a little pick-me-up. It's way too cold outside, so it's what I decided to go with. A bright lip and just a really fun, colorful, bright eye look. So, again, I am just sending y'all the best wishes for 2023. I hope that if you guys watch this video, if you enjoyed it, you will subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, just, you know, what you're hoping for and what your wishes are for the new year. And I hope y'all please stay safe. It is really cold and brutal out there. And I just hope you have a wonderful day, night, wherever it is, wherever you are. And again, just thank y'all so much for supporting my channel. It means so much to me, and I'll see you in the next one.